Hey man, we're about to catch some fish today, bro.
We're about to.
Oh yes, sir.
We got
You want to switch? Oh, you did get some of that frappe. Oh, I got nice fish, Drew. Yes, sir, I do. I got nice fish, dude.
What do you think it is?
This is a drum.
You got a shrimp on there?
Yes, sir.
Live shrimp or dead one?
Dead one.
You got a black drum or a red drum?
Feels like big black. Oh,
Isn't
dude.
it nice?
Dude, oh my gosh, dude. Oh my gosh.
You ain't got to rush him or not?
I'm not. I'm letting him tire himself out. He's got that head shit going on.
Is it a red or a black?
This is a big black drum, dude. Oh, dude.
What's the biggest black drum you've caught? It is a black drum.
Not this big. Oh, that's a nice black drum. Oh, yes, dude. Yes, dude. Oh my God.
Nice.
That is a nice fish, dude.
Awesome, dude. I told you there was some fish over here, man. I noticed a good spot. I was like, dang, this head fish can't be the only thing that's over here. You got another black drum?
I got another nice fish, yes, sir.
Damn.
I don't know what it is. Yes, sir, another black. He's gonna fight a little bit. Yes, sir. Hey, man, you brought me out here. I said I was gonna bring the heat.
I told you I was gonna put you on.
I love some black drum, dude.
I just keep getting pants.
So
Like I
they're not directly against the weeds. They're in this deep part right before the weeds.
Yeah, where the boosters are.
Yeah.
Like I said, any fish you want to keep this legal dog, I'm 100%.
He's not 14.
Put his head up.
Yeah.
He's just short.
Yeah, no, I'm not gonna do that. Oh, that water's nice and warm today.
Damn, you're getting them on the frozen shrimp too?
Frozen shrimp.
That's weird, man. That's so weird.
I caught him on half a frozen shrimp,
They
dude.
want a solid frozen shrimp.
Hey, man, I know what I'm doing out here. I'm like right about there in that current. I got another one, dude.
No way.
I swear to God. Here, I got it. You put that net down, I got it. Another black drum. Look at that, dude. I told you. Come on. Easy there, easy there, easy there. He's skinny. Not 14. How you like that, Drew? Oh, I gotta take this thing off my head, man. It's squeezing me. What you got on there? Oh, you got yourself a fish now, boy? What you got on there? Yes, sir. Nice black drum. Bring him right on here. There you go, dude. You're on the board now, brother.
I'm on the measuring board. We know which one's yours in there.